Are you hunting for the ultimate turbocharged car under 13 lakhs? Well, you're in luck because we are pitting three heavyweights against each other: the Maruti Fronx, Hyundai I20 N-Line, and Tata Altroz Racer. But here's the twist. You might be surprised which one offers the best value for your money. Stick around because things are about to get interesting. Let's start with the Maruti Fronx, the crossover that's got everyone talking. At first glance, it seems perfect for the practical buyer. The 1.0-liter boosterjet engine delivers 100 horsepower and it's incredibly fuel efficient at 20 kilometers per liter. But wait, here's where it gets tricky. While it's spacious and family-friendly, does it deliver the thrill you'd expect from a turbocharged car? Hold that thought because we are just getting started. Next up is the Hyundai I20 N-Line. Now, this car screams performance. A 1.0-liter turbocharged engine pumping out 120 horsepower, sport-tuned suspension, and paddle shifters sounds like a dream for enthusiasts, right? But here's the catch. Sure, it's fast and fun, but what about comfort? With its compact rear seating, could long drives be a deal breaker? Keep listening, because the best might still be ahead. And now, the Tata Altroz Racer enters the ring. This one's a powerhouse. A 1.2-liter turbo-propelled engine with 120 horsepower and precise handling, it seems unstoppable. But here's where it gets really exciting. The Altroz Racer doesn't just focus on speed, it adds luxury with ventilated seats, a voice-activated sunroof, and that massive 10.25-inch touchscreen. Sounds like a winner, right? But wait, what's the trade-off? Could its slightly higher weight affect performance? So, where does that leave us? Let's recap with a twist. The Fronx delivers unmatched practicality, but does it lack excitement? The i20 N-Line is thrilling to drive, but is it too cramped for everyday use? And the Altroz Racer, it seems like the perfect blend, but is it too good to be true? Now, here's the real question. Which one would you choose as your turbocharged companion? The decision isn't as straightforward as it seems, is it? Stay tuned for more car comparisons that'll keep you on the edge of your seat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for your next automotive fix.